Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the processing tab in the TwitterDub software. The processing tab is where all your actions will be processed. We'll add some actions quickly now, and we can see they have been added to the processing tab. Nothing is running at the moment because it's in waiting status and the processor is off. Click run, the actions will start running. If we want to run multiple actions at the same time, increase the number of threads. These actions failed because these accounts don't exist. They're just examples from the import tutorial we did earlier today. I'll add more for this account, which is a real account. But as you can see, only one action is processing despite having 4 threads. That's because there's a setting on the settings tab that will protect the account and only allow one action per account. This is on by default to stop new users getting the program and going crazy and adding 100 actions on an account and trying to do 100 things at once, which no actual real user could do. But if you know what you're doing and set it up correctly, you can turn that off, disable it, and then go to the processing tab and see multiple actions per single account running. Just going to cancel those. And that's it really. There is a right click menu. You can see the raw logs of the action, rerun an action, delete. Another way to delete an action is to highlight it and press the delete key on your keyboard, but some people like to use the right click, so they can. You can save the actions to file, which can then be loaded again via the import button up here. Where we can redo, rerun. Redo is where you would create a new action, and rerun will just rerun the action. What else have we got? You can edit the action, which will bring up a text file with a few more settings. So if we edit the action, we can see some of the properties here which we can edit. There are more advanced options here which are not shown on the interface. You can go through them and modify any that you want. It's got some extra controls there for you should you want to, but I'm not going to go into those as this is meant to be the getting started tutorial. We can change the repeat value of the action. Again, you could do that via the edit action, or you've also got these controls here which will be a bit simpler, just to specify how many hours to be. You can randomize for waiting actions, randomize them over the next few hours. Give them a custom name. That'll just appear in the description here. We can set a custom single processing value. This is similar to the protection where only one action can run per account. You might have seen you can also run it on the IP as well. The custom value will allow you to give each action a custom name, and then the custom single processing value can be assigned to each action, and then those actions will be grouped together, and only one action with the same single processing custom single processing value we'll be able to run at any one time. And finally, we can set action working hours. So an action will only start running within the specified hours. Let's pause this. I'm going to add a few actions quickly. And then we can, up here, remove finished actions. No, check to remove waiting. Okay, so we can remove the finished action. We can remove waiting actions like I just did accidentally. Usually you won't want to do that. And you can remove completed only, which would leave the failed actions. And that's it really. It's quite simple. Any questions you have on there, come to the forum at rootjazz.com/forum. Post any questions you may have and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.